Good morning everyone. Today I want to show you I have a Vauxhall combo semi-automatic, and the common problem is P1607. That's the clutch actuator malfunction that our code is coming. When you put the ignition on, the ASN is showing and now is automatic, and because we fixed that car, here it should become F. So if it's coming F, that's the problem is in the actuator. I show you where is the actuator and how you can bring the actuator to us and we can fix it for you. So you can see is everything is working, 1, 2 and reverse, everything is working at the moment. That's the common problem because in Vauxhall Zafira, Astra, Corsa, Combo and Mercedes A-Class old one have the same actuator is on there, and same actuator is in the Ford Fiesta as well and the Honda I-Shift as well. The same problem of all of them. And in Honda, if you can check, the code will come P0810, and if you can check, same code is coming in Ford as well, the Ford Focus and that one. So you can, I want to show you, this is the actuator. This type of actuator you have to open it. This type of actuator is there, you can see. You have to open it. If you remove that tube bolt, don't open here the pipe, just remove the bolt, put screwdriver here and pull down, then this cylinder is come out, then you can open the only just 4 bolt on the side. This is the Ford Fiesta I am showing to you. If the Corsa one 4 bolt here, you can open it and pull it upside, and then you can take it out and bring the actuator to us. We can fix in your actuator in 1 hour. We'll give you the warranty on there, and only just you need put back of these bit, put all the bits and put this cylinder back, put 2 bolt here, then no need bleeding, nothing, only just 10 to 20 minute job. So if you like my video, so go leave a good review on there, and my phone number is 0740 2536382. My name is Terry and we are in Hounslow, 169 Henworth Road near Heathrow. If you come to us, car gonna be ready. If you bring the car gonna be ready into 2 to 3 hours, and if you bring the actuator to me, is gonna be ready in 1 hour. So you can see my other videos. We repair all type of ECUs, airbag, crash rater, reset. So if you have any problem of 1607 Vauxhall, you have to come to us. Ford, you have to come to us, or Honda, you have to come to us, and then we can solve your issue. Or you post the actuator, we will send it back to you same day. Thank you, take care, bye.